The state of Arizona is tough on DUIs. 1.7% of people in Arizona said that they drove after drinking too much. Because of this high rate of driving under the influence, Arizona has implemented enforcement strategies like sobriety checkpoints to catch drunk drivers and deter that behavior. What to do if you are stopped for a DUI? The most important thing to remember when you are pulled over for a suspected DUI is that you have legal rights. A traffic stop is not the same as an arrest. Be courteous and non-confrontational, but be sure to follow these tips. 1. Do not provide more information than you are asked. Whether you were pulled over by the police or stopped at a DUI checkpoint, the police will likely ask you a few questions about where you are coming from, where you are going, and whether you've been drinking. While it is important to remain calm and not escalate the situation, you do not need to volunteer additional information. 2. Remain calm and keep your passengers calm as well. Usually, when someone is pulled over for a suspected DUI, it is because it is late at night or on a weekend when an officer may anticipate that the driver was out at a bar or a party. You may be a designated driver, for example, with a car full of rowdy passengers causing distractions. 3. Always have your license and registration within reach. When pulled over, the officer will typically ask for your license and car registration. You do not want to be fumbling around looking for it. When you are nervous or on the spot, your hands may be shaky, or you may experience a momentary lapse of memory. 4. Notify the officer if you have a weapon. Arizona is a concealed carry state. You do not need a permit to keep a firearm in your vehicle, but that does not mean you should attempt to conceal it from the police. Again, this is an issue of safety for both you and the officer. Talk to an experienced Arizona DUI lawyer. While it is important to be prepared to be pulled over at any time, there is really no way to prepare for the stress of a police encounter. If you have been arrested and charged with a DUI, do not attempt to handle your case alone. Speak with an experienced Arizona DUI defense lawyer to help defend your case. If you're facing charges relating to a DU, you might want to understand Arizona's law and secure the right legal counsel to ensure a fair trial. Call the Phoenix DUI Lawyer Criminal Law Team at 602-900-9891 to get expert-level legal help with your case.